Hello gentlemen, this is a 2017 Kia Sportage. It's the LX version, just the regular 2.4 liter 4-cylinder front wheel drive. So I was having code P0366. The vehicle wouldn't start. It was just, well, it would start, but it would take forever to start. It's just jigga 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 jigga, and then it would finally fire off. My RPM gauge would fall off sometimes. It had a little stumble at red lights. And forgive my nose. I mean, this crazy Louisiana weather. One day it's hot, the next day it's cold. So anyway, hard to start. It was hard to start, and then horrible gas mileage, and also it would stumble sometimes at the red light. But I kept P0366 is saying that the camshaft position sensor B is not sending a signal, so I kept changing out this one. I bought a brand new sensor from Kia, a brand new camshaft position sensor, $104. I changed it out and the code was still there and all the same issues. So lo and behold, what happened, I was changing this one here, which is for the intake side. B is for the exhaust side. Okay, it's going to be this plug right here. This one right here. That's for B side. Okay, so if you're experiencing any of those issues, P0366, you're having a hard time starting your car and everything, and you changed out this camshaft position sensor, that's your problem back here. Okay, do not pay Kia $115 just to change out the secondary sensor for the exhaust side. So another word of caution is do not run out and just get a camshaft position sensor because you have this issue. Because if you can look here on mine, you can clearly see in there, if you could see it. See that third prong? See all the corrosion on that third prong? That was my issue right there, guys. Okay, so I went out and bought this sensor that I didn't even need because all I had to do was just clean up these terminals and clean up the pigtail back there and would have been riding again. But it's okay because now I have an extra sensor. So if I have issues again, I could just take this sensor, clean up the prongs, and put it into the car, and we should be good to go. But that was my problem. That's how I fixed it. So before you run out, if you have a code P0366, do not change this one. Change this one on the exhaust side. All right. Also, do not just run out and buy you a camshaft position sensor. Make sure that you check for corrosion, any breaking of the wires or anything before you head out and spend $104 like I did. Alright, because I could have actually just cleaned this up and put it back in the car and it would have ran perfectly fine. So, words of wisdom from me. I learned the hard way. But that's okay because I have an extra sensor now. But I hope you guys have a happy new year. I hope this helps some of you guys that might be experiencing the same issues as me. Till next time, fellas, take care.